Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can increase the cursor size on your MacBook. So some people have visual problems, so that's the reason they use or they increase the cursor size. And in this video, I'm going to teach you that. It's very simple. So for that, what you have to do is make sure you go into System Preferences. If you find it in here, you're just going to click that, or you can just, bring in four fingers together on a trackpad. And in here, click on System Preferences. And even if you can't find System Preferences here, just go up here and write System. And in here, you will get a System Preferences. Just hit Enter. And there you go. So once you reach in here, you make sure you go to the option called Accessibility. Click on Accessibility. And in here, you will see a lot of options. So what you have to do is just scroll down and find an option called Display. So this display option is on the MacBook. On other laptops, there's a different option. You're just gonna click on Display. And in here, you can see an option called Cursor Size. So if you just see that if I just keep on a hold of the trackpad and move it towards, the cursor size increases with it. So you can see how large, how big the cursor has become as I moved it from one place to another. If I want to just make it small, it can go this way. So this is how you can, change the cursor size depending on the thing you want. So this is a very easy step tutorial on how you can change the cursor size on your MacBook. And if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you on the video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.